Other ways to make money online. We would always recommend that you start an online business with your own website, as you will be creating an asset. This doesn't suit everyone, and some moms would prefer to trade their time for money by providing services. Freelancing. If you have specific skills, then you can make very good money in the freelance market. These are the kind of skills that are very much in demand: content writing, copywriting, graphic design, SEO, web design and development, translation, transcription, video creation and editing, writing code, especially for websites, voiceovers. If you have skills in any of these areas, then you can make a lot of money online by promoting your skills on websites such as Upwork.com, Guru.com, and Freelancer.com. With these freelancing websites, you will bid for jobs that are posted by clients with your specific proposal. A good alternative is to use a gig-based website and create your own specific gigs to sell. The most popular website for this is Fiverr.com, which started off by offering gigs for $5, but now you can charge whatever you like. Another popular gig site is PeoplePerHour.com. Virtual assistant. A lot of stay-at-home moms are virtual assistants and earn a good income by providing help to businesses. If your children are at school, then this is a good opportunity for you, as businesses need assistance during the day. Virtual assistant tasks are many and varied and include managing schedules, data entry, email management, proofreading, creating PowerPoint presentations, social media management, microtasking. There are a number of websites that offer microtask opportunities. These are tasks that can be completed in a fairly short time, such as data entry, transcription, conducting research, watching videos, and more. One of the most famous microtask websites is Amazon's Mechanical Turk. Many businesses from across the world use this website to post small jobs that stay-at-home moms and others can complete. If you perform the tasks well, then you will receive more work from specific businesses. Other microtask websites include ClickWorker, Figure 8, and OneSpace. Some of these offer a mixture of online and offline tasks if that suits you. You are not going to make a fortune with microtasks to start with, but as you prove your competence and reliability, you will have opportunities to grow your income.